Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. And if this is your first time here, you're very much welcome. Let's dive straight into preparing this hair growth spray. Our first ingredient for this recipe is rice. Rice helps to increase hair volume, it strengthens hair follicles, it increases shine and improves the general appearance of the hair. Rice contains amino acids that helps in hair cells regeneration. Thus, rice helps to promote hair growth. The first thing to do with your rice is to rinse off dust particles or other impurities with water, then transfer it into a jar or to a container that has a lid. After that, add a second ingredient, which is rosemary leaves. It could be fresh or dry rosemary leaves, it doesn't matter, okay? Rosemary leaves helps to keep the nerves healthy and they are great for hair growth. They are also said to prevent premature graying. Next, we are adding cloves. Cloves have enormous benefits for a healthy hair and healthy scalp, but they can also be very strong and have repercussions, so we are adding just about 7 buds of it to this recipe. Next on our list of ingredients is bay leaves. Bay leaves are great especially for a healthy scalp. They can be used to fight bacterial and fungal infections. They can be used to treat dandruff and also dry and itchy scalps. They help to stop hair loss and they also help the hair to grow. Kindly subscribe to this channel if this is your first time here, or if you're returning and yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you. After putting the rice and herbs together, the next thing to add is aloe vera juice. The first time I made this, I made use of water, but this time around I decided to use aloe vera juice for its health and softening benefits. Stir to make sure that the herbs and the rice is submerged in the aloe vera juice. Set aside for 24 hours or more. I let mine for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain and your hair growth spray is ready for use. You can add an essential oil if you wish. I added a few drops of peppermint and of lavender essential oils each. You can refrigerate this hair growth spray and use it for a very long time, or you can still leave it out of the refrigerator. After all, there are many benefits of fermented rice water for healthy hair. Please, I do not recommend using this on your hair every day, especially if you're using it as a leave-in spray. You can use it once or twice a week. If you don't want to use it as a leave-in spray, you can spray it on your hair and cover your hair for 20 minutes, then wash your hair. Rice water is very rich in protein, so if you are using this as a leave-in spray, then it would be good if you follow that with a good scalp and hair oil. Please, if you are enjoying this video, let me know you like it by giving it a thumbs up. If you have a sensitive scalp and you leave this hairspray out of the refrigerator, you might notice some mild itchiness on your scalp. So the best thing to do is to make use of a butter, any soothing butter. You can use shea butter after applying the spray on your hair. So just apply some shea butter and then you seal that with an oil and you won't feel the itchiness again. Like I mentioned earlier, this spray is not a spray to use every day, so this was the 3rd time I was using it and it was in the 2nd week since I made the spray. In other words, this was the 8th day since I made the spray and started using it. You can notice new growth all over. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.